Hi friends, today we are going to make this video on how to make charcoal and tea tree soap. Now, as you know, the benefits of charcoal, it's an excellent skin purifier and very good to remove all the excessive oil and dirt from the skin. And tea tree oil has lovely benefits for acne prone skin, for an oily skin. So basically, people who have a very oily and acne prone skin and are looking out for a good face wash or a soap that would help reduce the acne on their skin, reduce the marks of acne on the skin. I think this is a very good soap for people having this problem. They can use this and really get a lot of benefits out of this, if they use it on regular basis. So let us get started with the making of this charcoal and tea tree cold process soap. For that I have taken my mixture of oils and butters. The recipe I will be mentioning it in the description box, so you can have a look at all the ingredients that are added for making this soap. And here we have our cooled lye solution, which I had already made and kept. So both oils and the lye water solution is cooled now, so we can start with the making. So in these oils, I'm mixing the lye water solution. I always prefer to use a strainer. So if there are any small lye particles, they do not directly enter the oils. Okay, and now we will mix this till we reach a thin trace. Okay, so I have added the lye in the oil and given it a little mix. Now I'll be adding the charcoal powder. I'll just give it a stir so the charcoal powder doesn't come off when we start mixing. Here I have taken bamboo charcoal. You can use any charcoal, it's an organic charcoal. You can use any charcoal powder of your choice. Now here we'll be adding our tea tree essential oil. Okay, so we've reached a medium trace here. So I think it's the right time that we can pour it in our mold. Okay, so we have our batter ready here, and now let's do the pouring. Okay, so we've poured the mixture here, and now if you want to give it a texture, you can just give it a texture, or else you can just leave it as it is. It's entirely your decision. I just like to give my soaps a little bit of a texture, so when you cut it, it really looks very nice. Okay, so this is the texture that I have given the soap. And now we need to leave this as it is for the next 24 hours at least, so that it dries well, and then I'll see you back again for the cutting. So we'll just see how the soap has turned out to be. Thank you. So now we are back here today for the cutting of this charcoal and tea tree soap that we had made. So I had let this be in the mold for about 18 hours, and it has dried up well. It's hardened. It's hardened also very well. So now we can start the cutting. I'll just take you all through how we do the cutting of the soap. Okay. The tea tree really smells very nice, the essential oil that we have put in. And the soap is extremely good for acne prone skin. Y'all can check out all the benefits of charcoal and tea tree. So y'all will get an idea of how good the soap is, for people with an oily skin. If they use it on regular basis, it will really be great. This is how it's cut and it's turned out to be after cutting. This is a very simple soap recipe. There's not much of ingredients that we've used. So even if you are a beginner and you've just started making soap, I'm sure this is a very simple one which you can give it a try. See, this is how it looks. Okay, so these are our bars of charcoal and tea tree cold processed soap that we have made, and they look extremely pretty. Please do let us know how y'all liked the soap. And as I said, even if you are a beginner, you can definitely try making the soap. Give it a try and let me know how it has turned out to be. Regular use of the soap will remove all the acne marks as spots from your skin, make it more clear. Tea tree is extremely good for oily skin, so you all can definitely give this a try. And also, if you want me to come up with such more of such cold processed soaps, please do like, subscribe for my channel, so that motivates me to come up with more videos and help all the people who are into making of cold processed soap, to try all these new recipes that I come up with. And thank you so much, friends. Thank you. Bye.